In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate or create Dropbox API. By the end, you'll have a Dropbox app set up and a secure access token ready to use with your project. Start by opening your browser and searching for Dropbox App Console. You're looking for the official Dropbox developer page. Click the first trusted result to head into the console. If you're prompted to log in, sign into your Dropbox account so you can access the developer tools. On the console page, look for the Create App button and click it. When asked about the access type, choose Scoped Access. This is the recommended option for newer apps because it lets you grant only the exact permissions your app needs, which is better for security and easier to manage later. Next, decide how much of the user's Dropbox your app can see. App Folder restricts the app to a single dedicated folder, which is great if you only need a sandboxed area to read or write files. Full Dropbox grants access to all files and folders in the account, which is powerful, but should only be used if your app truly requires it. When in doubt, pick the most limited option that still supports your use case. Now, name your app. The name must be unique across Dropbox, so if it's taken, try a slight variation. Keep it clear and professional to align with Dropbox branding guidelines. Click Create App to finish the initial setup. Once your app is created, open its settings and go to the Permissions tab. Here, you'll choose the specific scopes your app needs. For example, you might enable files, metadata, read to list or inspect files, and files content, write to upload or modify content. Only select what your app actually requires. Minimal permissions reduce risk and keep things tidy. Scroll down and click Submit to save those changes. Head back to the Settings tab and find the OAuth 2 section. This is where you'll generate your access token. Under Generated Access Token, click the Generate button. A token will appear on screen. Copy it right away and store it securely. Treat it exactly like a password. A best practice is to place it in an encrypted secret manager or a protected environment variable, and never commit it to version control or share it publicly. If it's ever exposed, return to this page to revoke and regenerate a new token. That's it. You've created a Dropbox app, set precise permissions, and generated a secure access token for your integration.